Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. Here at the Southwest 147th Avenue Railroad crossing, where the CSX Homestead Subdivision meets the aforementioned avenue. So here you have first crossing equipment, you have your CSX emergency contact info, that's CSX SN Extension Homestead Subdivision 56.05. Safe Tran signal base, Safe Tran gate mechanism, Safe Tran lights, LED lights all folded upwards. And I would usually say towards heaven because it died, but I'm seeing signs of life over here. There are changes, as I said in my first video. You can actually see all the way down the line now. Wonder if this has anything to do with the circuitry over here, that wire cable. So yes, this was where the last train that came through here was. There were some stored cars over here, like some gondolas, center beams, all that good stuff. And these neighbors over here were complaining because juvenile delinquents, misfits, people were carrying on and doing illicit activities over here in the stored rail cars. So they contacted a local news station and they contacted the powers that be, and ultimately the train got moved, or the stored cars got moved. So yes, this is facing southwest, and this line was built by Seaboard Airline in 1926 to promote tourism to the area. Here you can see a rotted tie. I know for a fact this was built in 1926, but out of curiosity, I'm trying to see if I could see a date on the rails. Okay, I'll keep an eye out for that. So right now I'm facing northwest. And interesting side note, that empty lot over there used to be a seaboard depot way back when, until 1992 when Hurricane Andrew came through town and said, not on my watch. So it totally got demolished. That was right here. And on this side, the crossing equipment's just the same as the other side. Safe Tran signal base, Safe Tran gate mechanism, emergency dot tag, e-bell, etc., etc. And as I said, this is the former depot site. A relay case down yonder. And yeah, there was definitely some fumigation because you can tell how the grass is greener on the other side, quote unquote, and it's withered on this side. Then you have your classical Miami Santeria right here. A dead chicken sacrificed to the saints. What would a crossing be without one of those? Here you have your, remember that the emergency contact info said CSX Homestead Subdivision, S-Line Extension Homestead Subdivision 56.05. So there you have your 56. Means that from Richmond, Virginia to this point, there's 1,056 miles. Isn't she a beauty, guys? Imagine all the history that came through here. If these rails could talk, all the hurricanes they've seen. They've seen steam engines. Who knows what they've seen? Back when the Model Ts were around in the late 20s, the Great Depression. All right, guys and gals, so leave me a comment, a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Always a pleasure. Take care. Bye-bye.